Hello everyone, welcome to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Magnolia Bakery's banana pudding. So let me show you the ingredients I'll be using. Over here I have 1 box of vanilla wafers, which is 11 ounces. I have 1 box of the Jello brand vanilla pudding. I'm going to use 3 cups of heavy whipping cream, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, and about 6 bananas. And then I'll also be using 1.5 cups of ice cold water. And this is it. Let's go ahead and get started. First, in my stand mixer, I'm going to go ahead and add my sweetened condensed milk and then my 1.5 cups of ice cold water. So I pretty much just put the water in the freezer for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to add that to my condensed milk and then we'll be whisking this up for about 2 to 3 minutes. After whisking that for a few minutes, now I'm going to start slowly adding my vanilla pudding, and I'm going to whisk that just for about 3 to 4 minutes until it starts to thicken up a little bit. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be a little bit thicker, so I'm going to go ahead and cover it and put it in the fridge for about an hour. And after an hour, right before I take out my pudding, now I'm going to go ahead and whip up my cream. So I'm adding 3 cups of the heavy whipping cream to my mixer, and I'm going to mix that until it's at stiff peaks. And this is what the whipped cream looks like. And I went ahead and took out the pudding mixture out of the fridge, and now I'm just going to add that to the whipped cream and mix them until they're well incorporated. All right, and this is what it looks like. So it's going to be like a pale yellow, and now we're going to go ahead and start the layering process. So I'm going to be layering some in these dessert cups, and then I'm going to be layering the rest in this Pyrex dish. So I have my cream, my bananas, and my vanilla wafers. I went ahead and sliced my bananas. So the first layer is going to be the cream, so you want to put a generous amount and just spread it evenly on the bottom. After the cream, I'm going to go ahead and layer my vanilla wafers. So it's going to be the cream, vanilla wafers, banana slices, cream again, vanilla wafers, banana slices, and you're going to keep going like that until the cream is to the top. So now I'm going to be layering my banana slices. All right, so I'm going to continue to do the layers, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. And once the layers are all done, I went ahead and crushed some vanilla wafers and sprinkled them on top because, of course, the more vanilla wafers, the better. So now I'm going to go ahead and put them in the fridge for 6 hours before serving. So you want to make sure you put it for at least 6 hours, but it's actually best overnight because you want your wafers to be nice and moist. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.